Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So like usual, I'm just going to be going over the trades I took from the previous week. So the first one I'm going to be going over is going to be euro dollar. So you can see big bullish engulf followed by another big bullish engulf, so took that as confirmation of trend. And for this trade, I think Monday, which was the following day, was the highest the trade ever got. And then after that, the trade was just range bound for the entire week. And I closed, I believe, in Thursday afternoon because the next day was Friday, which was Good Friday, so the markets were closed. And then that means it's pretty much low liquidity, or like not enough of like institutional buyers or big buyers to move the market. So with that in mind, I thought to myself, okay, price is probably not going to move, or probably just going to stay flat, so might as well just close. I closed the trade for like a little bit of profit. I'm probably going to show you guys the information of the trade as well. But yeah, I risked about 1% for this trade. Also, I think I'm going to start like taking these things off, like these markers, because although it's not bad, I do feel like it restricts my trading, and I'm going to show you why with the next trade. So the next trade I took was a GU trade for a buy. Also, the EURUSD trade was also for a buy. So the GU trade was pretty simple. We had pretty much a 3 white soldier price action followed by a bullish engulf. Or we could just say we had a bullish engulf followed by another big bullish shooting star slash engulf price action going on. So obviously I entered, and unlike the other one, this trade I didn't actually have those like support or anything marked. So I felt a lot more freedom in a sense. So I placed my stop loss like right around here, maybe because I want to avoid this one over here. And then if it hit this, the next possible zone would be this part, which although it could get hit, I wasn't too worried about it because the risk to reward was already like a lot in my favor. So if you zoom in, risk to reward is like 2.5. Usually my risk to reward is 1 for 1. So the thing with this trade is I closed the trade like around this area right here, which if you look at it, that's about a 200 plus pip move gain, something around that area. And unless it's like dollar yen or pound yen, I usually don't catch that big of a move. Usually I would have gotten taken out like around here already. Like, yeah, I would probably gotten taken out like around here if I would have had like the zones already marked up. But yeah, that's probably going to be something I'm going to implement moving forward. So the next one is dollar yen. Now this one, like things like dollar yen and pound yen, I don't mind having a zones at least that much because it already moves so much. So I still have a lot of move to catch, unlike Euro USD or like pound dollar, which doesn't move that often, so it's not really that much move to catch. So for dollar yen, again, we have 2 consecutive days of bearish hammer, or 3 black crow if you want to use the previous day before those 2. So entered my stop loss below the previous support zone that got broken, and put my take profit somewhere where I think was going to get hit, because if you zoom out, you can see that there are a lot of wicks being hit in this area. So that's why I put my take profit in that zone. Now obviously you can see price dropped, and yeah, closed for a profit, pretty much a simple trade. Also the past 2 trades, I believe I risked about 1% for each of them, but this one Euro USD, I actually risked 0.6%, and I ended up closing with like a little over $100 of profit. So the next trade was dollar CAD. So again, we had a 3 black crow price action, so I took that as confirmation of trend, entered, placed my stop loss right above here because this would be the next possible zone being hit, because you can see the wicks all being over here. So I took the next one, which would be this one, to avoid all this one going on here, because if you zoom out, you can see there's a lot of price action going on over here. So that's why I put my take profit in that area. So the thing with this trade is that it didn't really do much for the week, and if anything for the week I was mainly down, but as you can see, price pretty much came close to hitting my TP. So yeah, I was pretty much mainly down for the week, and then it went into profit a bit, and then I just closed the trade, because again, on Thursday afternoon I pretty much just closed all my trades because Friday was a holiday and there was going to be low liquidity. But anyways guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do over here, leave a comment, leave a like, share, subscribe if you want to join, and I will see you guys next time.